Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can remove phone number from Snapchat. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at top left corner and then access settings. In order to remove the phone number, log out from your Snapchat account. Now simply tap on sign up button and create another account. Type your first name and last name. Select the birth date and leave the default username and tap on continue. Now set a password. And then add your current phone number which you want to remove from your main Snapchat account. Now Snapchat sends a verification code to your phone. Simply type the verification code here and tap on continue. After that, skip these steps and your phone number will be added to your new account. Now tap on profile icon, access settings, and you can see our phone number added here. Now let's check whether Snapchat removed phone number from our main Snapchat account or not. For that, simply log out from this new Snapchat account. Log in back to our main Snapchat account. After that, tap on the profile icon and access account settings. Now here, you can see that the number has been removed from our account. So that's basically how you can remove phone number from Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.